Your plant runs on SAP. Your procurement team lives in it. Your maintenance crew depends on it. But if the materials management module isn't set up and governed properly, every stockout, every overpayment, every production delay traces back to it. Let's break down what SAP MM actually is, where it breaks down, and what good looks like. Most organizations treat SAP MM as a procurement tool. That's a dangerous underestimation. In asset-intensive operations, oil and gas, mining, utilities, heavy manufacturing, SAP MM is the system that decides whether your plant runs or shuts down. And right now, most of them are running it broken. When we talk to maintenance and reliability leaders, 3 failures come up every single time. First, you don't know what's actually critical. SAP's built-in analysis doesn't connect spare parts to equipment, or equipment to your production line. You overstock the wrong parts and run out of the ones that matter. Second, your material data is a mess. One plant names a bolt one way, another creates a new record entirely. SAP stores both. Now procurement is fragmented, inventory is split, and no one trusts the numbers. Third, stock in motion is invisible. A critical part is on a truck. To SAP, it's still in the warehouse. Your team raises an emergency order for something already on its way. None of this is inevitable. When SAP MM is properly supported, it becomes the most powerful operations nerve center in your organization. Contextual criticality links parts to equipment to production impact, accounting for lead time and cross-plant availability. Governed master data, enforced at the point of creation, eliminates duplicates before they enter the system. And real-time visibility tools overlay GPS and mobile-first field capture on top of SAP's transit data, so the system reflects reality, not yesterday's snapshot. If you're leading maintenance, reliability, or procurement, here is what matters. SAP MM is not just a procurement tool. It is your operational control system. Poor criticality logic and bad master data are the root cause of most stockouts and overspend. And the gaps in SAP MM are well known, and they are fixable. SAP MM gives you the framework. What you build on top of it, and how clean your data is going in, determines whether it runs your operations or fights them. Visit verdantis.com to see how the gaps get closed.